Number 4, the secret of restoration. Repair precedes revival. The Bible says he restoreth my soul. Sheep oftentimes can find themselves lying on their back and their feet dangling in the air, and other sheep cannot help them, and they need a shepherd to pick them back up and put them back on their feet. They need to be restored so they can move forward. Restoration means renewal of lost strength and purpose. God heals and restores what life or sin has broken. A shepherd restores a fallen sheep gently. God restores us from failure to faithfulness. A cracked pot still holds water when mended by the potter's hand. See, God is our soul surgeon who mends our spiritual wounds. Remember, Peter was restored by Jesus after denying him? God specializing and making old hearts new again. He is about restoring and renewing us, putting us back in our rightful place so that we can move forward and accomplishing God's will for our lives. Restoration revives us so that we can do God's will. Don't stay down. Let the good shepherd pick you up and put you back on your feet and give you a song in your heart and follow his leading.